At home, in front of the mirror, in your underoos? What kind of underoos do you have? Cupcakes? I didn't know they made underoos that were cupcakes! Well, if you were a superhero, and you had superhero underoos, who would that be?
Captain Cupcake.
Superman? Okay, flex for us. I need to see it.